But yeah, we are here, live in color, black and beautiful. We made it, man, in the building. We're in Bangkok. We're working on a baggage claim, and then, okay, immigration, and then baggage claim. So as soon as you exit from immigration and collecting your bags, you come into this hallway here, and then over here, you can exchange your money. We waited in the queue for a taxi, and then when you get out, you get this little thing, this ticket, and it says what lane number you're in. And if you see up here, you go to your lane, and that's where you meet your taxi at. We got a regular taxi, and if you're someone who has like a lot of luggage, you might want to get a larger one because there wasn't a lot of trunk room. Something else to note, I use Google Translate to translate the address from English to Thai, and that's what I show the taxi driver. I wouldn't think Carl's Jr. was an international brand, but apparently it is. We're staying at this hotel called Move and Pick. However, our flight got in technically on Saturday the 23rd at like midnight, and so by the time we got to the hotel, it was like maybe like 1:45. And so we were trying to do like an early check-in situation. If we would have done it, they would have charged us for a whole night, and they are like booked at capacity right now. If we check in anytime before 8, they're going to charge us for a full night. If we check in from 8 to 10, they're going to charge us for half a night. Anytime after 10 is complimentary. So we were like, girl, we want the complimentary. So we're kind of just like hanging out. Mel is getting changed. I just used the bidet for the first time. Well, it just had like the little hose thing, and that was an experience. So here we have a little nighttime view of the hotel. This is the little dining area. I can't remember if we got breakfast or not, hopefully, because niggers do be hungry. This is really cute. We are in the restaurant of the hotel. It's called Lela Wadi, and luckily it is 24 hours because, as I said, niggers is hungry. Mel in the building. We just had a very interesting encounter with.
They were fun.
So at first it was like 3 guys, but then it ended up being 2 guys. One who was Thai, and then one who was German. But his English American accent was like
on point.
On point.
From California.
Literally, when he said he was from Germany, I was like, "Are you sure?" But they gave us like a little Thai lesson. They taught us how to say like the little greeting for women, and then they taught us how to say thank you, and then they left to go do what they do, because that was clearly on the agenda. So for this meal, your girl has the lamb shank, the biryani rice. I don't know what this is, but the little sauce looks like it's probably tasty, and a mojito. No, why do I keep saying mojito? A Moscow Mule. That is a mojito. And what did you get? She got the lamb shank too. Yeah, with some rice. That joint looked fire. Yes. I am laid up in this hotel joint right now, like. We are in a cab on our way to Pratuna Market. We're gonna see what's there. This one, there's like one of the markets, I think this one might be the one where it's like all about like clothes and stuff, so we'll see what we can find. We are strolling along We came to go to Pratunam Market, and now we're like, is this? I feel like this might be closed.
It's a little close.
Let's go into the Sev. This joint, like looks closed, and it's kind of rude. We came up on a little action, you know what I'm saying? Girl, I think they over here with the bootleg stuff. And you see Mel in the mix. Pratunam shopping. Mel got some cute stuff. How do you feel about your purchases?
I'm happy with my purchases.
They were
I
cute.
hope I can get some more, a couple more things.
For sure, for sure. It's like, there were a lot of cute things out here. I didn't really get anything. First of all, definitely didn't see anything in my size. But if you're like average size, whatever, you really could get some cute things here. And it's not expensive at all. Girl, we are in this damn tuk-tuk. Your man said he would take us on a tour. So we doing the thing. So the tour was canceled because when the old boy like first walked up to us, he was like, I'll take you on a tour around Bangkok, 50 baht, 1 hour. We're like, cool. So then like he drives us around the corner, he pulls over, he pulls out a map. So we're like, okay, bet. Girl, he started talking about he gonna take us here to the floating market, he gonna wait for us, all this other stuff. And I'm like, my guy, that's not the move. So we're back where we're at. So there are these like altars all over the city, and they are very dope, very intricate, lots of flowers and such. Don't be trying to let them tell you only black people like chicken, okay? Look how happy your girl looks. She about to tear that leg up. So we was just, we were in this little mall and we went to the second level, and that's where all the plus size clothes was. All the stores had these disrespectful ass names. So like one of them literally was called Fat Girls. And I was like, okay, well this might be my zhuzh, this might be my vibe. None of the stuff in there was cute. And like of all the stores that were for plus size, it was nothing cultural. So no thanks. I just bought some bubble tea. This will actually be my first time trying bubble tea ever. So let's see how we feel. I got the honey lemon red tea. The tea is really, really good. These tapioca balls, they don't really taste like much to me.
No.
This tea is delicious. Gang gang. Girl, I was gonna try and do a Negro count, but I've seen too many of us, so it's not like, you know, we're not the majority or whatever, but it's too many for me to be like, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get me. The street food, like the prices here are really good. So, you know, this is where you come for the grub, honey. They got a couple things over here that's halal.
Yeah, there's a pretty significant.
We just ordered some spring rolls, vegetable spring rolls, and your girl is warming them up in the back. And they were 50 baht a piece. So because people are scammers and they will try and get you, from our hotel, when we first went to the market earlier, the guy didn't use the meter in the cab. Like our hotel got the cab for us, and he just said, you know, 120 baht. So we're like, okay, cool, whatever. On the way back, you know, the little pedicabs and stuff are all like, oh yeah, like how much were you going, whatever, whatever. This one dude tried to say 300 baht, and we were like, no, goodbye. This other dude, I think he might have said like 200 or something, and then he went to 150. We still weren't cool with 150, so he was like, okay, fine, 100, but we're gonna make a stop on the way. Sir, no. Absolutely not. So we just walked away from his ass because what the hell is a stop on the way? So I was concerned that there was no full-size mirror, but it's in the little closet joint. Here's tonight's fit. We're about to go to this night market to get some food, and then we're gonna hit up the red light district to see people do some strange things for a piece of change. Get off the taxi or the cab. It's gonna let you out like right over there, like on that street, and then you're just gonna walk back around to the market so you can see a little bit of action up here. We're walking around the market now, looking for food. You want to go where you see, you know, a lot of people eating at, because that's where you know the food is gonna be decent. Girl, I got this chicken noodle soup, honey. So Mel's here with her soup, and she got these little crab joints. Are they fried? Mm-hmm. It looks like they got some seasoning. She about to try it. We've been seeing these things literally like all day. And they come with a little duck sauce, it looks like.
I think it's like sweet and sour.
Yeah.
Sweet chili.
It's good. Get the crabs. Your girl has been putting in work on this soup. Adding these joints right here is a move. Hi. He just said hello. So something to know about coming to Rachata Market. Online it says it closes at 1 o'clock. It's a little after midnight, and a lot of places are setting up, or I mean are closing down. So keep that in mind.
It's also Monday. So.
It is Monday.
That's probably part of it.
Girl, we are in the red light district. We are at Soy Cowboy, which was named after an African American expat who came over here and opened the first bar. So, you know, Black history. So, saw a woman shoot some ping pong balls out of her vagina. She also was shooting these like darts, and she was popping balloons. You know, very interesting. We are in the Sev. You already know what it is. First of all, there is like a 7-Eleven on every single corner across the street. There's literally one diagonal from us on almost every single block. But sour cream and onion, we're gonna see if these are the same or comparable. So you gotta hydrate, and I picked up this like 7-Eleven select water. Here it says that's 14 baht. Girl, that is like 50 cents. So stay hydrated, please. Gang gang. You want a moped to the club?
We gonna moped to the club.
Melanie wants a moped to the club. We just went to 7-Eleven. She got a bag of snacks. I got a bag of snacks. But combined, we definitely spent less than what, like $2? Or wait, 100 baht. 100 baht is like $3. Okay, my math is off. So then it was less than 100 baht. So we probably spent like 2 something.
I spent 91 baht.
I spent 93. So less than $3. Probably like $3. Couple time.
You're welcome.
It is 4 a.m. and we went to 7-Eleven and got all these snacks, and we're about to shoot a video of us trying these snacks, but also we pretty much are still on like, what is it, Eastern Standard Time, and because it's definitely 4 a.m. and yeah, we pretty much decided like there's no point in trying to like adjust to this time. We're just gonna end up taking a nap in the middle of the day and calling it a day. We got snacks, okay, honey? Thai snacks. I wouldn't be like, oh, yo, them green curry chips, like, gotta get them.
Right.
Oh, okay. Our plan was to go to Shatu Shack. We came in here, took showers, and then we literally passed out and we're out for like hours.